What about the black eye incident? Tell us about that.
No. I was in a where was I? Café de Paris one night, and
What? Same place?
It was the same place. Believe it or not, it was the same place. And do you know I was out with Frank Lampard and his mate. And I was with my mate, Chris McCarthy, who you know.
Yeah.
And we was there, and, I was having a chat with Frank, and do you know his mate was going, come on, you footballers, let's have a drinking competition and all that. I said, look, just calm down. But he got so excited, this guy, we started going, right, let's try and put him under the table. So we started drinking with this guy, but he was quite a good drinker, to be fair, and we kept going. And I'm sitting in Café de Paris still. In next minute, he's gone under, the guy. Frank was dabbing his forehead down. He was gone. But I was a little bit worse for wear and all. And I remember getting up to go to the toilet or something, and as I got up to get off the stool, my foot has got stuck in the wire. I'm going down on the floor like someone's tackled me, and the bar was right next to me, and I've headbutted the bar. And I'm thinking, oh no! And as I put my hand on my head, obviously there's blood there. I've had to have 7 stitches. So I've headbutted the bar. And in them days, look, no one took a picture or nothing. But I ended up going out the back door, going to the hospital, having 7 stitches. The next day, we had a day off. So I'm indoors. I'm thinking, oh no! By the time I went back training the following day, I had a black eye. So Arsene Wenger, I remember walking up to the medical room. As I walked in, he looked at me and he was like, Ray, have you been putting makeup on? Okay, here we go.
I'm sorry my English is not the best, but I try to understand well.
Mine's not the best either, Pele, don't worry. Anyway. Okay, Pele.